Yay, okay, final medium, and then we're on to the hards. I have no idea how that's gonna go, but whatever, let's get started. Zigzag. The PayPal is hiring is written in a zigzag pattern on a given number of rows like this. Okay. Read it line by line. Yeah. Given a number of rows. Right. Zigzag pattern. What the heck? How do you do this? Okay, so PayPal is hiring. If that's the case, PayPal is hiring, and then they give you this line of text over here. PAL. This, line them up. Yes. PAL is hiring, so PAHN would be every, so P, give me a better color, PAHN okay, so then it would just be every skip everything down so I can read it, I guess. Every it will be every multiple of 4. And then I guess for those ones it's going to be the same thing, every multiple of 4. So the problem then just becomes these middle terms here. This one, and this one. So here it's 3 rows, and so I guess the idea is 3 rows, every multiple of 4, and then if it's 4 rows, every multiple of 6. Okay, yeah, it will just be every multiple of 6, and then for the middle values, it will be 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay, so let's try and figure out a pattern for this one. So PayPal is hiring. Make sure that these kind of line up. In this kind of zigzag shape. So here, with PayPal is hiring, let's just try and figure out what the it's going to be. So A, L, S, I, and then G. So this is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Okay, so we just need to figure out in what row each value actually corresponds to. So we can, I guess I have a bit of an idea. So subwords equals to this array, and then we do for I in range len s. Because depending on the number of rows, like for these two here, so we will just do S I hold on, However, how to initialize a list real quick. So we do list for I in range len for I in range numbers. Okay, we do that first, so then we can figure out, and then we can do subwords I equals to si plus equals to si. So that's, I guess, the idea that I'm gonna rock with. The only problem is once I get to the number past it, because let's say if it's 3 rows, so the rule is 3 rows, so 3 matches to 1 in the middle, 4 matches to 2 in the middle, 5 would match to 3 in the middle, yeah, okay, and the middle numbers. -2, obviously, okay, and then what the idea is, rows in the middle, and then we will do modular mod value equals to num rows plus middle count. So this represents the value we need to mod it for. And now we just need to deal with, so here we can just do subwords I mod value, and then now the problem is once we get to these middle words, because here we do 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, but the thing is when we get to 4 should be on the 3rd row, 5 should be on the 2nd row. Which is a bit of a problem. So after we get all of this logic done, then we just do word equals to this, and then for word and for subword in subwords, we do word plus equals to subword, and then we do return word. And then let's see, so 0, 1, 2, 4. So the problem is once we get into when we're in between num-rows I, and then we're num-rows minus 1, and then here we're greater than 2 times num-rows minus 2. So while we're between these two values, it's a bit of a problem. So twice of num-rows minus 1, because we need to try and figure out, well, what row they should be in. So if I is greater than num-rows minus 1 and I is less than now what value should just be num-rows? We just need to make sure it goes in reverse. Then we need this, so I mod two times num-rows minus 1. Else we can do this. Minus equal, so I'll buy I mod num-rows. So here mod rows is 3, then we can do 3 mod 4 is equal to 1. 3 minus 1 is equal to 2. Oh, and then I need to maybe minus 1 again just for the index to be correct. And the same thing happens here. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 4 mod 4 is equal to 4 mod 4 is equal to 0, and then we do num-rows, which is 4 minus 0, just 4 minus 3. Oh wait, no, that's a bit of a problem there. The rest should be alright. I think I just need to get this logic right. Is this first condition even correct? It's greater than num-rows. So if num-rows was equal to 5, for example, if num-rows was equal to 4, so if I was greater than 3, 0, 1, 2, 3, That's not quite the case. Okay, if num rows was 3 minus 1 is 2, so 0, 1, 2 if you're in the middle. If num rows was 4 minus 1 is 3, 0, 1, 2, 3. So, okay, yeah, no, this first condition is correct. Now, if I is less than 2 times rows minus 1, so here, rows is equal to 4 times, so 6. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So if you're in between those two. Okay, no, this first condition is correct. Then what we do is we do get the so I represents the actual 0 index, and what we can do is we can do num rows mod that value. So I num rows, so 4, for example, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 mod 4 is going to be 0. And then we can do num rows minus 1 to get the actual index. Minus 1. And then minus 1. So now let's try for this one. For the 3 case over here, we do num rows is equal to 3, and then once we get to 0, 1, 2, once we get to index 3, well actually let's try for this one here. L 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So with 5 we do num rows is equal to, so 5 mod 4 is going to be 1. 5 mod 4 is going to be 1. And then we do num rows minus 3. So num rows is going to be 4 minus 3, which is 1. Okay, so that's correct. And then otherwise we can just do I index num rows. So for these ones here, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 mod 3, 7 mod, yeah, it should be cool. Let's try it. Wrong answer. That's not good. Alright, what happened here? I've somehow combined all of the I's together. Well, that's just fantastic, isn't it? Well, that's only for the first case. I forgot to account for the other ones. We do mod val is equal to I mod num rows first, maybe. Zero, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then we can do 8 mod 3 is equal to 2. What? Wait, that's not right. The mod value can't be that. Mod value has to be 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So it has to be 2 rows minus 2. It's to equal to this, and then we need to mod it by the mod value. So for example, if I was 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 9 mod 4 is going to be 1. Okay, that's correct now. Whoops. Okay, so let's try that again, maybe. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 7 would fall into this. We'll do num rows minus 1, which is, so sub num rows is going to be 3, 3 minus 1 is 2. 7 mod num row, 7 mod num rows is going to be 1. So 2 minus 1 is going to be index 2 minus so 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So the letter S is index 7. So the mod number is going to be 7 mod 4. 7 mod 4, so the mod value is going to be 3. And if the mod value is going to be 3, here we should be using mod num. If mod value is going to be 3, then the idea is that the subwords, we have the number of rows, so which is going to be 2 minus the index, so 2, or minus the mod, so 3 mod 3. 3 mod 3 is going to be equal to 0 minus 1. Okay, good. Let's try it now. Huh? Okay, so if the length is equal, or if the number of rows is just equal to 1, you can just return S immediately. There we go. Yay, okay, awesome, it works. Complexity should just be O of n, yep, and then memory of n, good. Is there an easier way to do it though? 2 points to solve the question. Okay, cool. I'll just leave it here for now then.